Okay, so let's look at the past tense. So the past simple tense with be. So for example, we could say, she was at school yesterday. Very nice positive statement. But a negative would simply say, she was not at school yesterday. See, the sentence is normal afterwards. Plural, the pronoun stays the same, and the be verb, was, simply add not. Was not, or wasn't. 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 She wasn't at school yesterday. Makes sense. With a past simple with other verbs, we made a snowman yesterday. That works. But made turns into make. We did not make a snowman. It isn't we was not make a snowman. It isn't we wasn't made a snowman. It's we did not make a snowman. Because some words, some verbs like made and make can't be added with was. It has to be changed as an irregular word. Made turns into make. We did not make. It isn't we was not make, we did not make. We did not make a snowman yesterday. Simple as that. Past continuous, very similar rules. It wasn't snowing. It was not snowing. Same here. Same as the past simple with be. It wasn't. Be has not. It was not. It was not. I am not. We are not. They aren't. They are not. I am not. You are not. You are not here. Well. I was not walking. I wasn't. I wasn't walking. I was not there. I was not at school. We were not. We were not. Not. Same. Weren't. Were not, weren't, we weren't. We weren't. Hold on, let's do that again. We weren't at school yesterday. We weren't at the meeting just now. It was not snowing. Makes sense. Nice and straightforward. Let's keep going, language learners. Let's keep going.